sobrang hit nung Together
Oo, actually, to be
series
fair.
at that time. And then, naisip ni Direct June na, gawa tayo.
Hmm.
Tapos, in my head, nung inaalok sa akin yung project na yun, parang ang thinking ko, so after ng lockdown. Hindi, magsushoot ka now. Paano? Tapos sabi niya sa Zoom, ha?
In the pandemic, ito na. Ay, nako, I really remember. So, I've always known Bia. Ever since, like, Aino Kosabi. Hindi ko alam kung alam niyo tong mga Aino Kosabi and shit, Vice Croyd's fanfiction. But doon po ako sa level na yon, okay? So, I've always consumed that material. Siguro ako yung target audience. Hindi ko alam. Wala bata ako. But BL was never big in the Philippines. Was never big.
Mhm.
And then, sumikat si Together, the
Yes.
series, right? Here. Nung bagong pandemic and then nung pandemic, right?
Yes.
2020. And then, that time, I was working on Star Hunt Academy Kids. Dine-training ko sila Akira, di ba?
Correct.
And then you were like, meron ka, kasi nag-lockdown na nun. Meron akong ginagawa. BL. BL! First ever BL. Ako nakarinig sa Philippines, ha? Oh my God. Remember how much it was a big deal for me? And you were like, kasi wala kasi kami magawa, kaya kailangan namin gumawa ng something. And I'm like, no! And then, I promoted it. I was the first influencer that posted about Game Boys. I remember that.
Yes.
And then, walang tawag ito, walang engagement. Kasi syempre yung following ko, K-pop, hindi nila pa, kasi Pinoy di ba?
Yeah.
And then it became a fucking phenomenon.
Ewan ko.
Tadyakan kita dyan eh.
Hindi rin siya
Ay, ito na naman tayo.
Ayan na naman.
Nag-sinkin sa'yo eh.
Magagalit
Yan na naman sa'yo eh. Hindi na naman nag-sinkin sa'yo.
Magagalit na naman siya.
Emmy-nominated series. Ilan ang Emmy-nominated series sa Pilipinas?
May ilan naman.
Ilan?
Hindi ko.
Exactly.
Hindi, alam ko si Direk Eric Mating.
Ilan?
On the job.
Oh, isa ikaw doon.
Hindi ko sure.
Isa ka doon. Ang director nun.
Director, tinam. Physical lang po pala dito sa...
Tapos hindi mo. Tapos, parang wala naman. Phenomenon ba yun? Hindi ko sure. Sasampalin kaya kita.
Hindi, kasi habang ginagawa mo siya, dahil nga pandemic, hindi mo naman din talaga fully nararamdaman yung parang laki niya. Kasi nasa bahay ka lang nung time na yung sa bahay lang ako. So, hindi ko na-experience yung... Kasi 'di ba meron tayong parang barometer of measure, o yung barometer na kapag alam mo sikat na yung ginagawa mo. Kapag kumakain ka sa isang restaurant, tapos yung nasa likod mo, uy, napanood mo nito, ganyan, ganyan. So, pili mo, hit to. So, hindi ko na-experience yun.
Kasi nga pandemic.
Oo, tapos wala naman akong Twitter o X, ano ba tawag ngayon? X at ngayon. So, wala rin akong ganun. So, hindi ko siya nagagrasp na, uy, nagte-trending ka, uy, nagaganyan ka, hindi eh.
I remember it was such a hit that I feel like it opened doors for a lot of other queer, I mean, don't get us wrong, marami ng queer contents before pa. You know, like sila Andoy Ranay, marami na sila before. Even si Wakaw, diba? I mean, that's like way before Game Boys. But BL kasi is different from, there's many different layers of queer content.
Yes.
And BL, especially boys love, that kind of content, malaki kasi yung niyan. Sa Asia, South America, ganyan.
Yeah. Actually, Game Boys was also an opening then for me because I didn't know BL.
At that time?
Yes. Yung writer, si Ash.
Yes.
Siya ang...
Ash Malalong shout out.
Oo, siya ang, kumbaga, nanonood talaga ng BLs.
Thai or Japan?
Thai. Or all sorts. Parang Chinese, Taiwanese, nanonood na siya ng ganyan. Tapos nung pandemic, siya yung nagsisend sa akin ng mga kaya ko nalaman yung Together.
Yeah.
Kaya ko nalaman na yung Crossing the Line, Taiwanese.
Crossing the Line, Blue, mga ganyan.
Mga ganyan. So, nung time ng pandemic, yun yung
kinokonsume mo.
Oo. Kasi, yun nga, lockdown. Hanggang sa nagkaroon nga ng opportunity na binigay ang idea first. Kasi nga, sobrang hit nung Together
actually,
series
to be fair.
at that time.
To be fair.
And then, naisip ni Direct June na, gawa tayo.
Tapos,
in my head, nung inaalok sa akin yung project na yun, parang ang thinking ko, so after ng lockdown. Hindi, magsushoot ka Now, paano? Tapos sabi niya sa Zoom, ha? Paanong Zoom? I am the less techie person, least techie person sa idea first, I believe. Tapos sa akin, magsushoot sa Zoom? Paano yun? So talagang nung sinagsushoot na kami, I remember 5 times namin nire-reshoot yung pilot.
F1.
Kasi hindi ko alam ang ginagawa namin.
Kasi di ba parang, okay, Zoom.
Hmm.
Tapos, okay, wait. Sorry, how does it work? Zoom ka. Ako si Elijah. May camera ako here.
Oo.
Yung mismong, yung digital
iPhone.
or whatever, iPhone, right? And then, nasan yung Zoom?
May laptop dito.
May laptop dyan.
Oo, nandun ako.
Okay.
Tapos,
Ididirect mo.
oo, nakikita ko lang siya.
Okay.
Tapos, meron siyang mga, yung kapatid niya, si Jerome, yun yung nagre-record. Ganyan. Tapos, ganun din si Coco, yung sister niya, o yung kuya niya.
Pero yung patuhan nila, real time?
Oo. Nasa Zoom kami lahat. So, nagkakarinigan lang sila. Pati, kumbaga, hindi nila nakikita
Oo.
yung isa't isa.
Tsaka yung emotions, everything.
So, kunyari, may pa-tears. Hindi naman syempre nakikita ni Kokoy. So, magkakat ako. Koy, sa line na to, may umiyak si Elijah. So, i-repeat namin yun para makareact siya doon sa iyak na yun.
Oh my
Kasi
God.
hindi sila nakikita. Ako lang nakakakita sa kanila. So, ganun yung process. So, talagang, ano to? Grabe talaga.
But why do you think that story, that show, even though, I mean, technicals-wise, it wasn't the most high-tech, high-end, you know?
Yan. Kasi
Why do you
iPhones lang
think,
nun.
why did you think it resonated with so many people? To the point na Emmy nominated siya.
Well, feeling ko kasi it really reflected the times, no? Kasi feeling ko lahat tayo pinagdadaanan nila. Kaya there's a certain familiarity dun sa pinagdadaanan nila yung pinagdadaanan ko. So feeling ko kaya din siya. Kasi dun din ako nagtataka, 2 tao lang to nag-uusap sa phone. Tapos naka-split screen lang yung ganyan the whole time.
Tsaka hindi rin lang ang nag-consume sa kanya LGBT eh.
Correct.
Even straight people I know watched it.
Yes, exactly.
And then, you know,
Just
enjoyed the show.
It also shows na talagang love is universal. Na regardless kung anong nakikita mong gender sa screen, di ba? Nagtatranscend talaga siya. So it only proves na straight, LGBTQ, lahat tayo pare-parehas tayo magmahal.
Correct.
And at the same time, dahil nasa pandemic tayo lahat, yun din, isa din common denominator yun, no? Na pinaganda. Kaya feeling ko nag-resonate din sa maraming tao. Plus lahat ng tao kasi nasa bahay, no? So lahat talaga nagko-consume lang ng content online.
Yeah.
Nagkataon na siguro din timing din na Game Boys was the first kind of BL na categorized doon.
Like, again, marami ng gay contents prior to that.
Yes.
But, hindi na namin pag-uusapan kung ano yung BL, ganyan kaya kasi parang may Google naman. Pero parang, ibig sabihin, yung ganong atake, yung ganong atake, I guess, yung ganong atake was really the first in the Philippines at that time.
At that time.
And you were the director of that. What a fucking revolutionary. Nakakainis ka.
Alam mo naman, I don't...
Bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng enough na anong tawag ito? Pat yourself in the back more.
Okay.
Because how many people would want to be in your position?
Ayan na naman siya. Kumagagalit na naman siya.
Oh, nagagalit ako kasi hindi niya kasi nare-realize kung gaano siya kagaling eh. Kung hindi ka naniniwalang magaling ka, at least bigyan mo yung mga tao ng opportunity to tell you that.
Hindi lang ako sanay sa compliments.
Kailangan mo ng healing.
Ilang beses mo na sinabi yan sa akin. Para kailangan natin ng healing session ngayon.
Correct.
Para iba na yung subject.
Mapupunta na tayo dyan. Well, speaking of Game Boys, it opened a lot of doors for you, obviously, especially in terms of queer storytelling.
Yes.
And we'll be talking about that more when you return. Yes! Kung kayo po ay nag-enjoy sa mga chikahan po natin ngayon, sana po ay mag-subscribe kayo sa aming channel, like this video, at mag-comment kayo. We would love to hear your thoughts, to know what you think. And thank you so much for watching and please share this video as well. Bukod sa Game Boys, kasi nga actually, for some reason, because I guess because of the success of Game Boys, naging mas, parang mas nalinya ka. Kumbaga yung naging branding mo in a sense would be, I suppose, a lot of the storytelling that you do are queer related, I guess. How do you feel about that kind of branding? I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
Yes, of course. Wala naman akong problema kung yun yung naging brand or kasi ako as long as gusto ko makapagkwento at gusto ko yung kwento, magkakwento ko kahit ano pa yan.
That's true.
Siguro na nagkataon lang na after Game Boy sunod yung queer content.
Ano ba?
Game Boys, Pearl Next Door,
Pearl Next Door din pala. Yeah.
tapos Pa-Thirsty.
Pa-Thirsty. Parehong Pearl Next Door and Pa-Thirsty, parang lesbian. Tama ba?
Bisexual kasi si Pearl.
Bisexual si Pearl. Okay.
So, yeah. So, mas yung Pearl Next Door Girls Love series.
Okay.
And then yung Pa-Thirsty, sinundan pa rin yung kwento ni Pearl.
Uh-huh.
Pero, sa...
Mas sexy. Mas
in a
spicy.
way,
Mas spicy.
spice. Tapos, after that, 2 and 1.
2 and 1, which is in VMX.
Yes. And
Alright. Okay.
Yes.
Ang dami kong tanong dyan. Pero before tayo pumunta sa mga VMX stories mo. Kasi ang dami ko talaga ng tanong. Kasi may tanong before. Medyo controversial siya. Kapag ba gumagawa ng kunyang LGBT kwento, kailangan ba yung filmmaker, director, or writer LGBT din?
Ako?
Para sa'yo?
Hindi. Kung ako ang tatanungin, kasi kung ibabalik din yung kwento, yung tanong na yun. So, kung hindi ka straight, hindi ka rin ba pwede magkwento ng straight? Nakagawa naman ako.
Correct.
Pabansang third wheel, ganyan. So, bawal din ba akong ganun? Naniniwala ako kasi sa pare-parehas tayong pwedeng gumawa ng gusto nating ikwento. Of course, iba lang siguro yung approach dahil because I am a member of the LGBTQ community, I guess, in terms of research, mas experience siya.
Mm-hmm.
But that doesn't discredit naman other, kunyari, straight filmmakers want to do queer content.
Mm-hmm.
Ang importante lang naman ay you do the research, you kind of interview people, you make sure that you've done the process.
And you treat it with
respect. Yeah.
Exactly.
With respect and sensitivity. As long as nandoon ka, pwede ka magkwento ng kahit ano.